Okay, so we're going to talk about this 5-piece combo kit, Milwaukee M12. One of my favorite devices for doing handyman and carpentry stuff. Now this is, of course, it's 5 pieces, comes with a bag. Check this out, $1.99. It's normally $3.99, so it's about 50% off the package deal. And I think the regular combination of all these is like $600 and something. So I went to Home Depot to go pick it up. So let's go check it out in the store. Okay, so here we are in the front of the store. $199, 5-tool kit. That's a great deal. Now this includes batteries, $608 value, and there are all the tools. I'm gonna grab it and we're gonna check it out. Alright, so here we go. Here's the box, and as you can see, special buy, $608 value. Let's see about that. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so that's it. It comes out in the pouch already. And it looks like a nice size pouch. Let's take everything out. Alright, paperwork. And it looks like everything's wrapped nicely there in plastic. Alright, so we have a ratchet. Okay, so there's your basic ratchet. 3/8 drive. It seems a little floppy there. Here, you got the smaller battery. I'm going to compare this with my other fuel momentarily. Charger, not in the bag, but that's fine. Okay, here's the drill. Alright, I'm going to compare that also to I have a fuel drill. Feels a little bit cheaper. Second battery. And the driver, and this is the most important one, although it has a saw, which I'm really interested in. Not too bad with the weight, and looks kind of similar to the fuel. We're going to see that in a second. Here's the saw. Okay, this is definitely something I can use also. Okay. That's the lock. Okay, I wonder if it comes with a blade or not. Here's an adapter for the ratchet. Goes to a quarter, I believe. And then lastly, that's it. And there's little side pouches inside here. Not sure if you can see. To stick some, bits or saw blades. I have Milwaukee bags with other tools, and they're pretty tough. Packed 11 daylights out of them, and they haven't torn. Okay, so let's get everything out here. One more thing is the flashlight. Flashlight comes with its extra own manual. And this is a small LED, you can turn. And I guess if you put the battery in it, you can stand it. So let's put everything here. Here are all the items. And okay. So now let's compare that to my fuel. And let's see. I got my stuck my fuel stuff in a rigid bag. Because these didn't come originally with a bag, my fuel and driver. Okay. This bag's taking a beating. Alright, here. These are definitely taking a beating. Okay, so here's the fuel. This is fuel, not the fuel surge. Okay. And the battery in there. This has several speeds right there. You know, I like putting it on one for delicate stuff. Okay, let's compare that to the driver here. And so there you go. Here's the conventional M12 driver. And here is the fuel. Okay, so there you go. This has a little vent on the back. Fuel just has a couple of little vents here. Button's about the same. And the battery in here. Let's see, the big mama. I don't hear any hammer action. The fuel actually sounds a little louder. But not too sure when you go into hammer. Alright, so let's look at the difference between the drills now. Okay. So that's the fuel drill. Let's take this out. Put this in here. Let's see. Hey, to tell you the truth, this sounds quieter than the fuel. Right? That's weird. This does look a little bit more, I don't know, kind of like more cheaper plasticky look. I like the, this looks a little bit more tough, the fuel. But we're going to put this to use, and I'm going to give a, you know, maybe a midterm update on it. So there's a quick comparison. By the way, I like the slightly large batteries. This is the 4 because it the tools will stand up, and this will probably come in handy for the light. Just these batteries are so expensive, and that's one of the reasons why I got the kit for $199. All these tools plus the batteries. It's a great way to get extra batteries. Okay, and that is the light. Looks decently bright. I don't know what this little thing is for here. It has a little magnet icon on it, so it might be a magnet. So we can put this like this and stand it up. It would be nice if you can point it down a little bit. If it tilted down more. But that's it. And let's see how this is with the smaller battery. Let's take this in. The other batteries are not charged yet, so I'm not going to use them. Okay, so it will stand with a small battery too. Not bad. Okay. And we could just check to see how loud these other items are. Let's check the ratchet. That's a lock. And I guess the direction is here. Yeah, this is. I think this is a low torque ratchet, but it probably can help speed things up, especially once you got a bolt loose. But it's a really long bolt on the car. And then let's do a quick check of this saw, see how loud this sounds. Yeah, it's decently loud. Nice vibration. Okay, so, all right, that's about it. So we got the drill, the driver, the ratchet, the saw, and the light. We checked, that's the kit. And we're gonna see how it stands up to some nice use. I knock around my tools a lot, so they do take a beating. And again, like I said, I'll do a follow-up review. So there you go. Probably worth it. You know what? Even if you wanted to go out and make some money, you can get this kit on sale, and then after Christmas time in January, February, you can sell it for a little bit more money. But I don't know if it's worth the pain to do that. So if you like it, appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.